Where does spermatogenesis occur in males? A. Epididymis. B. Seminal vesicles. C. Testes. D. Prostate gland. The correct answer is C. Spermatogenesis occurs in the testes, specifically in the seminiferous tubules. Which hormone is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Testosterone. D. Luteinizing hormone. The correct answer is C. Testosterone is the hormone responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics like hair growth and muscle development. In which part of the female reproductive system does fertilization usually occur? A. Uterus. B. Fallopian tubes. C. Ovaries. D. Vagina. The correct answer is B. Fertilization usually occurs in the fallopian tubes, where the egg and sperm meet. What is the main function of the corpus luteum? A. Produce estrogen. B. Produce progesterone. C. Nourish the developing embryo. D. Release the egg during ovulation. The correct answer is B. The main function of the corpus luteum is to produce progesterone, which helps maintain the uterine lining during early pregnancy. During which phase of the menstrual cycle does ovulation usually occur? A. Follicular phase. B. Luteal phase. C. Menstrual phase. D. Proliferative phase. The correct answer is A. Ovulation usually occurs during the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle. Where does fertilization commonly occur? A. Uterus. B. Cervix. C. Fallopian tubes. D. Vagina. The correct answer is C. Fertilization commonly occurs in the fallopian tubes. Where are the primary oocytes located within the female reproductive system? A. Ovaries. B. Uterus. C. Fallopian tubes. D. Vagina. The correct answer is A. Primary oocytes are located within the ovaries of the female reproductive system. What happens to the corpus luteum if fertilization does not occur? A. It degenerates and becomes a corpus albicans. B. It remains active and continues to produce progesterone. C. It transforms into a developing embryo. D. It shrinks and migrates to the cervix. The correct answer is A. If fertilization doesn't occur, the corpus luteum degenerates and becomes a corpus albicans, leading to a decrease in progesterone production. What is the name of the process by which a sperm and an egg unite to form a zygote? A. Fertilization. B. Implantation. C. Ovulation. D. Menstruation. The correct answer is A. Fertilization is the process where a sperm cell and an egg cell unite to form a zygote, which is the first cell of a new organism. Which cell type is the result of spermatogenesis in males? A. Spermatozoa. B. Primary oocyte. C. Secondary oocyte. D. Polar body. The correct answer is A. Spermatozoa are the mature male gametes produced as a result of spermatogenesis. What is the role of testosterone in the male reproductive system? A. Stimulates the growth of the endometrium. B. Promotes the development of male secondary sexual characteristics. C. Initiates the menstrual cycle. D. Facilitates ovulation. The correct answer is B. Testosterone is the hormone responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics, such as body hair growth and a deepening of the voice. Where in the female reproductive system does implantation commonly occur? A. Ovary. B. Fallopian tube. C. Uterus. D. Cervix. The correct answer is C. Less than break time equals 1s greater than. Implantation of the fertilized egg typically occurs in the uterus, where the embryo implants into the endometrial lining. Which structure in the female reproductive system secretes progesterone during the menstrual cycle? A. Corpus luteum. B. Uterus. C. Ovary. D. Fallopian tube. The correct answer is A. The corpus luteum is a temporary endocrine structure in the ovary that secretes progesterone during the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle. What is the function of the epididymis in the male reproductive system? A. Production of sperm. B. Secretion of testosterone. C. Storage and maturation of sperm. D. Synthesis of semen. The correct answer is C. The epididymis is a coiled tube where sperm are stored and matured before ejaculation. Which phase of the menstrual cycle is characterized by the shedding of the endometrial lining if fertilization does not occur? A. Follicular phase. B. Luteal phase. C. Menstrual phase. D. Ovulatory phase. The correct answer is C. The menstrual phase is the phase of the menstrual cycle where the endometrial lining is shed if fertilization does not occur. What is the function of the fimbriae in the female reproductive system? A. Secretion of estrogen. B. Transport of sperm. C. Immune protection of the ovary. D. Capture and direct the egg into the fallopian tube. The correct answer is D. The fimbriae are finger-like projections at the end of the fallopian tubes. They help capture the egg released during ovulation and direct it into the fallopian tube for fertilization. Which hormone stimulates ovulation in the female reproductive system? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Luteinizing hormone, LH. D. Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. The correct answer is C. Luteinizing hormone, LH, triggers ovulation in the female reproductive system. What is the role of Sertoli cells in the male reproductive system? A. Production of testosterone. B. Maturation of sperm. C. Development of secondary sexual characteristics. D. Support and nourishment of developing sperm cells. The correct answer is D. Sertoli cells are a type of supporting cell in the testes. They provide nourishment and support for developing sperm cells throughout spermatogenesis. What is the process by which a mature egg is released from the ovary called? A. Ovulation. B. Menstruation. C. Implantation. D. Fertilization. The correct answer is A. Ovulation is the release of a mature egg from the ovary, typically occurring midway through the menstrual cycle. What is the main function of Leydig cells in the male reproductive system? A. Produce testosterone. B. Facilitate sperm maturation. C. Produce seminal fluid. D. Transport sperm to the epididymis. The correct answer is A. Leydig cells produce testosterone in the male reproductive system. This hormone is essential for developing male secondary sexual characteristics. Which hormone is responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics during puberty? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH. D. Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. The correct answer is A. Estrogen is the hormone responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics, such as breast development and the widening of the hips, during puberty. What is the functional unit of the testis responsible for sperm production called? A. Seminal vesicle. B. Epididymis. C. Vas deferens. D. Seminal tubule. The correct answer is D. The seminal tubule, also known as the seminiferous tubule, is the functional unit of the testis where spermatogenesis occurs, leading to the production of sperm. Which hormone is responsible for maintaining the uterine lining during pregnancy? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. D. Luteinizing hormone, LH. The correct answer is B. Progesterone is the hormone responsible for maintaining the uterine lining during pregnancy by supporting the implantation and growth of the embryo. What is the name of the structure in the testis where sperm are stored and gain motility? A. Seminal vesicle. B. Epididymis. C. Vas deferens. D. Prostate gland. The correct answer is B. The epididymis is the structure in the testis where sperm are stored and gain motility before being ejaculated. Which hormone stimulates ovarian follicle development in the female reproductive system? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. D. Luteinizing hormone, or LH. The correct answer is C. Follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH, stimulates the development of ovarian follicles in women, leading to ovulation. Where does fertilization of the egg by a sperm commonly occur in humans? A. Uterus. B. Ovary. C. Fallopian tube. D. Vagina. The correct answer is C. Fertilization of the egg by a sperm commonly occurs in the fallopian tube, where the sperm meets the egg and forms a zygote. Which hormone is responsible for the development and maintenance of male reproductive tissues, such as the testes and prostate gland? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. D. Testosterone. The correct answer is D. Testosterone is the hormone responsible for the development and maintenance of male reproductive tissues such as the testes and prostate gland. What is the process by which the uterine lining is shed if fertilization does not occur in the menstrual cycle? A. Ovulation. B. Proliferative phase. C. Secretory phase. D. Menstruation. The correct answer is D. Menstruation is the process by which the uterine lining is shed in the absence of fertilization during the menstrual cycle. What structure connects the ovary to the uterus and serves as the site of fertilization in the female reproductive system? A. Uterus. B. Fallopian tube. C. Cervix. D. Endometrium. The correct answer is B. The fallopian tube connects the ovary to the uterus and is the common site of fertilization in the female reproductive system. Which hormone is mainly responsible for an egg's release from the ovary during ovulation? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. Luteinizing hormone, or LH. D. Follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. The correct answer is C. Luteinizing hormone, LH, triggers ovulation and the release of a mature egg from the ovary. What is the term for the process by which sperm develop and mature in the epididymis for eventual ejaculation? A. Spermatogenesis. B. Spermiation. C. Ejaculation. D. Sperm maturation. The correct answer is D. Sperm maturation refers to the process by which sperm develop and gain motility in the epididymis before ejaculation. Which hormone is essential for maintaining the uterine lining during pregnancy to support fetal development? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. Human chorionic gonadotropin, or HCG. D. Prolactin. The correct answer is A. Progesterone plays a vital role in maintaining the uterine lining during pregnancy to support fetal growth and development. What is the primary function of Sertoli cells in the male reproductive system? A. Production of testosterone. B. Sperm maturation. C. Support and nourishment of developing sperm cells. D. Storage of sperm. The correct answer is C. Sertoli cells provide support and nourishment to developing sperm cells during spermatogenesis in the male reproductive system. During which phase of the menstrual cycle does the dominant follicle mature and prepare for ovulation? A. Luteal phase. B. Follicular phase. C. Menstrual phase. D. Ovulatory phase. The correct answer is B. The follicular phase is characterized by the maturation of the dominant follicle in preparation for ovulation in the female reproductive system. What is the term for the mature male reproductive cell produced by spermatogenesis? A. Sperm. B. Ovum. C. Zygote. D. Embryo. The correct answer is A. Sperm is the mature male reproductive cell produced by spermatogenesis. Which of the following is the product of oogenesis in females? A. Zygote. B. Secondary oocyte. C. Sperm. D. Embryo. The correct answer is B. The secondary oocyte is the product of oogenesis in females, which can be fertilized by a sperm to form a zygote. What is the name of the process where the uterine lining is shed if pregnancy doesn't happen? A. Fertilization. B. Implantation. C. Menstruation. D. Ovulation. The correct answer is C. Menstruation is the process by which the endometrial lining is shed during the menstrual cycle if fertilization does not occur. What hormone is responsible for maintaining the endometrium during pregnancy? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Testosterone. D. FSH. The correct answer is B. Progesterone is the hormone responsible for maintaining the endometrium during pregnancy. During spermatogenesis, which cells nourish and support developing sperm cells in the testes? A. Leydig cells. B. Sertoli cells. C. Interstitial cells. D. Germ cells. The correct answer is B. Sertoli cells provide nourishment and support for the developing sperm cells during spermatogenesis. What is the hormone primarily responsible for stimulating ovulation in the female reproductive system? A. Estrogen. B. Luteinizing hormone, LH. C. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. D. Progesterone. The correct answer is B. Luteinizing hormone, LH, is primarily responsible for stimulating ovulation in the female reproductive system. What is the term for the female reproductive cell released from the ovary during ovulation? A. Secondary oocyte. B. Zygote. C. Embryo. D. Sperm. The correct answer is A. The secondary oocyte is the female reproductive cell released from the ovary during ovulation. Which male reproductive structure stores sperm and helps them become motile? A. Epididymis. B. Seminal vesicles. C. Vas deferens. D. Prostate gland. The correct answer is A. The epididymis is the male reproductive structure responsible for storing sperm and allowing them to gain motility. What is the term for the process by which a sperm and an egg fuse to form a zygote? A. Fertilization. B. Implantation. C. Ovulation. D. Menstruation. The correct answer is A. Fertilization is the process by which a sperm and an egg fuse to form a zygote. What is the name of the structure within the testis where sperm cells undergo their final maturation stage and gain motility? A. Epididymis. B. Seminal vesicles. C. Prostate gland. D. Vas deferens. The correct answer is A. The epididymis is where sperm cells mature and gain motility before ejaculation. Which hormone is mainly responsible for developing and maintaining female secondary sexual characteristics during puberty? A. Estrogen. B. Progesterone. C. Testosterone. D. Luteinizing hormone, or LH. The correct answer is A. Estrogen is the hormone responsible for the development and maintenance of female secondary sexual characteristics, such as breast development and menstrual cycle regulation. What is the term for when a mature egg is released from a woman's ovary? A. Fertilization. B. Implantation. C. Ovulation. D. Menstruation. The correct answer is C. Ovulation is the process by which a mature egg is released from the ovary, ready to be fertilized by sperm cells. Which cells in the male reproductive system support and nourish developing sperm cells within the seminiferous tubules of the testis? A. Leydig cells. B. Sertoli cells. C. Epididymal cells. D. Prostate cells. The correct answer is B. Sertoli cells provide essential support and nourishment to developing sperm cells within the seminiferous tubules of the testis during spermatogenesis. During which phase of the menstrual cycle does the corpus luteum form from the ruptured follicle after ovulation? A. Menstrual phase. B. Follicular phase. C. Luteal phase. D. Ovulatory phase. The correct answer is C. The corpus luteum forms during the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle after ovulation. It plays a crucial role in producing progesterone to support a potential pregnancy. In the female reproductive system, which structure connects the ovary to the uterus and serves as the site for fertilization of the egg by sperm? A. Uterus. B. Fallopian tube. C. Cervix. D. Vagina. The correct answer is B. The fallopian tube connects the ovary to the uterus, and it's where fertilization usually happens between the egg and sperm. Which phase of the menstrual cycle is characterized by the shedding of the endometrial lining if fertilization does not occur? A. Menstrual phase. B. Follicular phase. C. Luteal phase. D. Ovulatory phase. The correct answer is A. The menstrual phase of the menstrual cycle is characterized by the shedding of the endometrial lining if fertilization doesn't occur, leading to menstruation. Which female hormone is primarily responsible for stimulating the development of ovarian follicles during the menstrual cycle? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. Luteinizing hormone, LH. D. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. The correct answer is D. Follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH, stimulates the development of ovarian follicles in a woman's reproductive system during her menstrual cycle. What is the process by which sperm cells are produced in the testes of males? A. Oogenesis. B. Menstruation. C. Spermatogenesis. D. Ovulation. The correct answer is C. Spermatogenesis is the process of sperm cell production in the testes of males. Where do eggs mature and develop within the female reproductive system? A. Uterus. B. Cervix. C. Ovary. D. Fallopian tube. The correct answer is C. Eggs mature and develop within the ovaries of the female reproductive system during the process of oogenesis. Which phase of the menstrual cycle is characterized by the release of an egg from the ovary in females? A. Menstruation. B. Proliferative phase. C. Secretory phase. D. Ovulatory phase. The correct answer is D. The ovulatory phase of the menstrual cycle is when an egg is released from the ovary, ready for potential fertilization.